melt na dyan, guys, sa kanyang bowl. Tell me if it's enough.
Enough.
Little more. Okay.
It sounds like crystals.
Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ni Ryan, guys. May ano siya, ubo. It's good?
Hi, Daddy.
See you later, Daddy.
Okay. Behave well. Don't irritate mommy, okay?
Ito yung mga books niya from school. Storybooks.
In this book, I'm in the 20th page, and in this book, I'm in the 0 page. So then it's start reading it.
First finish one, then you can do that now.
Okay, bye, Daddy.
Okay, bye.
See you later.
Hi, Daddy.
Dito na kami, guys, sa nail talk. Hinihintay ko yung aking kaibigan na si Iris. Sabi niya, mapunta na daw siya. And board na ito. Ayan, oh, nail talk. Diba, nakapunta na tayo dito last time. Pinakita ko din sa inyo ito. Let's go inside. It's hot here, Nana. Huh?
Okay.
Supposed to be maaga kami, guys. Pero dahil nagluto pa ako para kay Daddy Ram, medyo naging late. So, aking friendship ay naggalit. Sabi niya, maaga tayo. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Sorry naman. Kailangan pang lutuan ng ulam si Daddy Ram.
This three? This is
Yeah. That's
light
one.
you want?
Yes.
Or this much?
No, light.
one,
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use your book also, okay? Wait for a while. Ayan, guys, tapos na akong magpa-nails. Ganda. May ganap kami bukas. Kaya ganito ang aking nails. Pastel color. Tawag na ito. Matchy-matchy sa aking OOTD. Yung aking friendship na si Iris ay hindi pumunta dahil late nga ako at natulog na lang daw siya. So, sabi ko okay lang. Night duty kasi yun. Kawawa naman. And maghahanap kami ng restaurant or McDonald's, KFC, kahit anong available dito. Bibili ako. Tapos pupunta kami sa bahay niya para gisingin siya. Para mag-lunch doon. Kasi hindi pa rin yan kumakain. So yun ang ating plano. Then we'll see mamaya kung ano magiging ganap. Kasi nga, day off daw niya today. So kahit hanggang gabi kami dito ay okay lang. Charot. Hanapin tayo ni Daddy Ram. Come on, Nana. Let's go get Domino's. What do you want? What kind of pizza? Chicken? Hot dog?
You said I know there's a hot dog pizza.
Let's check there. Ito na kami, guys. Ayan. Meal for 4? Okay. Non-veg for sure. Do you want garlic bread also? No? Okay. Haggard ko na, guys. Mamadali kasi ako kanina. Hindi ko man lang na-plancha ang buhok ko. Si Ryan sabi, where is Tita Iris? You keep telling Tita Iris is coming, but she's not coming now. Ayan o, napahiga na siya. I ordered already. Okay, wait. Maybe around 10 minutes, they said.
You're saying Tita Iris is gonna come like see first. When you were at the salon, you said, oh, I had to.
She said she's coming, but she changed her mind. We'll go to Champ. Don't worry, okay? Marka siya ka. guys, nag-order ako ng cassava kay Cherry. Pero hindi ito lahat. Kay Ate Tere yung isa. Kasi nag-order din siya. Allah! Can you get, what you call that? Tissue na. Kitchen towel. Ito naman ay siopaw. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng siopaw. Si Lynn kasi yung isa ko pang kaibigan, nag-stop muna siyang magluto. Buti na lang si Cherry ay to the rescue at ayan. Meron tayong siopaw. Ang laki. Napaka-isa na binigay. More na more. Because see? Ito ang pasos niya. Meron tayong ganap today. So, naka-ready kami. Thank you! Bring everything, Nana. No problem. Yes, the whole thing. The whole roll. Thank you very much because I'm going to put it in the table. Okay. Then this is for Ate Tere, the other one.
What's this?
Taste it.
See, I heard the name cassava. Okay, I remember the name.
Remember? Remember? Remember?
Like it,
You like it?
but never taste this thing.
No!
I never.
Few days back only. Right, baby? I bring this from Mark house.
Yeah.
The cassava, he forgot already. Memory lost na.
Yeah.
Punta kami ng ICRISAT, guys. ICRISAT ay, it's like a research institute, right, baby?
Yeah, on agricultural thing. It's the International Research Center.
Yeah. And then, yung aking kaibigan kasi na si Betty, doon siya nagtatrabaho. Actually, siya lang yung Filipina na nakatira doon at nagtatrabaho doon. So, in-invite niya kami for dinner gathering. Walang okasyon. Parang gathering lang talaga. So, first time din ni Daddy Ram na pupunta doon. Kaya, very curious siya.
I mean, hearing for a very long time, and sometimes we watch in movies, a lot
Yeah.
of movie shootings outside.
Is it? It's a very, very, very big institution. So, malaki yung
It's the
kanyang
headquarters.
area. Yeah. And si Ryan din, first time niya pumunta doon. Are you excited? Huh? All titas and titos will
You
be
went
there.
last time, right?
Once, yeah. Once. I've been there once.
The old
only.
director came.
Yeah, Dr. Dar.
Now I think I don't know from which country. If you know also from.
Yeah, foreigner, I think. So, it's 30 minutes away, 30 to 40 kasi nag-start kami 10 minutes ago eh. So, ayan, medyo traffic lang dito sa, what place is this tali? Is it Miyapur already? Not yet?
Yeah, for cross already, Chandanagar.
Chandanagar. Dito na kami guys sa ICRISAT.
International Crops Research Institute for Semi-Arid Crops.
Yeah.
That's a very long name.
Okay. This kind of place.
Yeah.
Tita Mark knows the place.
No, Tita Betty is there with them. Convoy kami guys. Yung iba nasa likod. Ayan sila. Ayan. Yun.
Oh guys, this place is such a nice place. They have a swimming pool. Oh yes. There's a football place, there's like basketball place, there's a swimming pool. There's so many things here. The market there?
Not this one.
Yeah, where we just now in the guest area.
Yeah, I think the market there is.
So much.
It's nice, right, Daddy? Very huge. Is that corn?
Yeah, corn.
I can even see an order sign.
Yeah.
They will test none.
Anong meron? Mga monkeys?
Kapatid ni Iris nandito daw. Nandito yung kapatid ni Iris. Tatlo yata ako nandito.
Uy, natatakot ako! Ang daming ano, monkeys!
Parang kambing.
Okay lang ba?
That's fine.
Ah.
Huwag mag-alala. Nandito yung kapatid nila.
Nanay nila. Nandito na nanay niya.
Magubad daw ng sapatos kasi temple. Huwag na lang pumasok mo. Ayaw nang magubad.
Huwag na lang. Okay na ako dito.
Sila na lang, oh.
It's literally the tree there. It's a tree.
Is it?
Remove slippers from it. Shoes, is it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Can go inside? No.
Yeah, no.
Uwian na?
No problem.
Uwian na?
Just be careful of snakes.
Oh, exposure, ha? Exposure na yan. Shout out.
Shout out!
Yung mga kapatid niyo nandyan sa taas. Hanapin niyo.
Hi, friends! Sa opisina ko may puno, nakatambay lang sila sa harapan ng opisina ko.
At least dito, no? I mean, nakakagala pa rin sila. Hindi sila, ano,
Hindi sila yung parang...
hinukulong. Iiwan mo yung ano?
Nana, show them, Nana. Nana.
Bawal na yung walang bra dyan.
I think I want to go. Why do I want to go inside?
Stand there and take it. Don't go inside. You don't know what it is.
So dark.
Yeah. There might be snakes there.
Temple, mosque,
And church.
and church.
Every religion has the religious place.
Yeah.
Mask.
Mosque. For Muslims, Nana. Dito na sila.
Magpapalit na ako.
Pwede na mga
Remove that one, Nana.
Oh!
Careful, careful.
Hanuman.
Hanuman?
And the stone they carved. Hanuman.
Hanuman.
It's from the stone. They put it there.
They put it, they think it came.
And this is
Yeah.
Shout out. Sino gusto mo i-shout out?
Shoutout sa mga Pilipinas sa Pilipinas.
At sa pamilya niya.
Mga TFC subscribers. Hi po sa ating mga TFC subscribers. Nandito na po ako sa Wawawin.
Sige ng jacket yan!
Seryoso ang aking voice. Nadasal sila.
Shiva. Not Shiva. Not Shiva. So natural, religious.
It's nice. Magdala ng mic para magkarinigan. Close pala. We can't enter?
Hindi namin marinig pakiulit. Eh, megaphone ka ba?
Enjoy na enjoy yung dalawa, te. First time nila dito. First time ni Gian, di ba, te?
Dito, sa...
I-Chrisat. Ang ganda.
All in our history, there was COVID. This was pre-COVID. So when you go in front, di ba parang yung may marker? May marker. Nandun nakasulat lahat ng baka.
Kindly translate in Indian. Ruins.
Minsan yung mga lumang lugar dito.
Wala na nagpimisa dito. Wala na
Dapat may mag-organize na.
Ngayon, bukas ng umaga, ang pamisa tayo. Si Mark yung pare, tapos mga madre naman.
Meron naman tayo dito.
Yung para sila na pamamisa yung mga pare, ang lapit-lapit lang. Father, pumunta ka doon. Sabi yung church nyo. Sa Egrisat.
Maglakad na lang. Father, walking distance lang po.
And look at the peacock, so beautiful, Nana. So nice, so big.
Yeah. I hope she opened the
It's not so easy, baby.
Dito kami dinner.
Diba? Birthday ba?
Birthday ni Tony advance.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tony!
Pinasarado talaga.
Oo nga eh.
Share heritage site.
Castle. Maliit na glass castle dito. Oh, may electric pan pa, girl.
Pero malamig naman sa loob. Yeah, they're parking already.
Ah, okay.
I don't want
Let's
to park there.
Magsiset up pa sila. Huwag muna tayo
Manmol Castle.
400 years ago.
Pero mag-ayos tayo, akit tayo sa taas.
Uy, my God! Ang formal! Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-gown talaga.
Sinabi ko na sa iyo
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Wala kayong ano.
you're wearing slippers. How can you?
We did not expect it.
What did I say? Long
It's very European.
That is only casual, ha?
It's very Scottish.
Even those shoes not allowed.
Ang ganda. Mark, anong comment mo, Mark, sa padibo ni Mayora?
Wala na. Ito na yung standard ng mga event natin. Dapat may cater na. Wag na yung para lang.
Grabe yung kinasing standard.
Oo, nahiya nyo kami.
Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba ang tuhod ko? Ang taas pala. Ah. Exposure yan.
Parang sa Charminar lang to.
Wow. Hingal. Ballroom. Ballroom. Video okay. Ballroom. Kaya. Beautiful, right?
It's very beautiful. It's my kind of place. I can live forever like this kind.
You put your gun here?
Yeah.
This castle like take each post.
Bebo, wala na. Wag ka na
Ang ingay.
Dapat yun, center ka. Dito ba na side? Dito ka na side.
Spice Girls, Masala Girls.
Dito.
Yeah. He is the director.
So you have to do something.
What do we do?
So, ano lang. Yung casual na lang.
Ano
Pili ka upo.
Casual pa.
Upo, dito na lang.
Ayoko madumi.
Dumi siya.
Ayoko nang madumi. Ayoko nang maputik.
Pwede na po kami for video, okay? Dala ni Madam.
Try to...
Harata, oh, okay. Yeah.
After eating time, we'll over.
No problem. Wow. Pinakbet, paneer, shaja, honey. Oh, okay. Bagara, baingan.
Yes, ma'am. Panis sabji ka.
Morg biryani, roast lamb, and grilled fish. Then, sabji biryani and vegetable lasagna. Kain na! Kain! Eating time! Ayan! Eating time!
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong.
Tired? How's the food? Is it good?
Masarap ginisa lang.
I love this.
My magic sarap.
Why this fellow is so tired already? Look at him. Look at him. Tired na? Balik na kami sa bahay ni Betty, guys. Kung saan siya nagsistay dito sa Ecrisat. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner. How is it, guys?
It's so nice.
Had fun? Enjoy?
So much.
Yummy food? Oh, ito na pala yun.
Are you
Ryan.
allowed? If you want to come again, are we allowed again?
Of course. Why not? Uuwi si Daddy Ram and si Ryan. I will stay here overnight. Bukas pa ang aming uwi ng girls. Bye! Good night! Exposure! Hug dita. See you tomorrow!
Okay, bye.
Bye! IIT Hyderabad. Dito po nag-aaral ang ating matalinong estudyante.
Ay pa. Dito po ako nag-aaral.
PhD.
Ikot-ikot tayo. Climate change. Ito guest house?
Yes.
Wow.
Na walang strict.
Ang laki.
Lalaki ng mga rooms. Bago lang yan, pero mukhang lumang. Charot. And then this is the International Convention Center.
Wow.
Ito yung bongga. Malaki siya. Convention Center.
Oh, may bus.
Yan yung bus na
Okay.
hanggang gate. Tapos, yun yung Technology Research Park. Yung
Ito.
startups nandun. Ito sa left.
Ah,
Park doon ka straight ka doon.
Hindi yun straight din. Right.
Research Park siya.
Right
sa
yun, right.
Mga startups na research. Nandyan yung Suzuki Innovation Center. Ito yung Technology Innovation Park para sa mga in-house academic startups.
Yung para sa bobo nasa inyo.
Di ba ang ganda ng mga designs? Ang weird.
Oo.
Tapos na yan. The theme is brutalistic architecture. Parang unfinished industrial. In front of us is the Marriage Students Hostel. So dyan yung mga may asawa at pamilya ng mga
Oh,
PhD
talaga?
students.
Oh.
Ito si BBR sa
Plastic naman ang vlog.
Oh, talaga? Talaga? Sige nga. Sige, ano comment mo, Mark? Sige nga. Ano yan? Yan.
Yan yung admin building namin.
Oh.
The newly minted administrative building. The library.
Wow, nice.
Ang laki.
Ganun pang term.
Knowledge Resource
Parang
Center.
ano siya?
Kasi wala siyang books masyado.
Auditorium.
Wala siyang books masyado. Puro online, di ba?
Google.
Online PDF lang.
Google. Meron silang computer.
Liberal Arts Building. This one. Yung left. Tapos, yun yung lecture halls na parang nuclear facility.
Oh, why?
Building.
So, nababas ka kung gusto mong pumunta sa ibang
Or naglalakad.
Dito na ba yung hostel?
Yan.
Sa mga mahihirap?
Yan yung mga main.
Research Center Complex.
May bangko sa loob, ha?
We have
ICIC.
3 banks, ICCI, HDFC, and SBI. Diba?
Kano ang hostel
Straight lang,
dito?
Mark. Yung mga 60,000, 6 months. Including food.
60,000?
Utilities. Parang 10,000 per month.
10,000.
10,000 per month.
So ito yung hostels. Dito ako nakatira.
May
Pero straight
pa-room tour
ka,
ka ba?
straight ka pa.
May pa-room tour ka.
Wala din naman makikita sa room ko. Ito yung cafeteria, so
So this is where we eat daw.
hindi ito mess hall, cafeteria lang. So bumibili kami ng mga food,
Oh.
groceries sometimes.
Ano to? Ano din?
Yan yung mess hall. Old
Oh,
mess hall. So dalawang
okay.
ganyang building to cater for food 3 times a day. Snack. Pwede gusto niyo kumain. Diyan. Right.
Dito?
Daming tao. Oh.
Maraming tao. Kasi maraming tao ngayon Sunday. Yan yung mga baby boys ko. Hi mga baby boys. Ay.
Badminton.
Ito yung Tihan. It's 200 crores project by the government. Tihan means technology innovation.
Right.
Left.
Right, wala nang right.
For autonomous vehicle
Wow.
drones. Ito siya. So may drive test siya. 200 crores per year. Ito yung bongga naming sports complex.
Wow, laki.
Yes. And Cultural
Yung mga
Center.
bike na yan.
Gusto niyo pumasok sa loob? Ay, sila
Yeah, sure.
Sunday.
Pa-picture tayo dito.
Pero pwede,
Sa
itry
stairs.
natin, baka pwede tayo.
Para ano?
Ito na ano.
Mga offices. Tapos mga viewing decks. Usually pag sa taas, viewing decks. Try natin kung baka may.
Sobra.
Hey guys.
Ayaw mo yan, Mark.
Hi guys. Yun na pala guys.
Sarado? Oh, basketball court siya.
Wow. Pwede bang maligo?
Wah, ang ganda.
Silipin na lang guys. Kawawa naman yung isa.
Ano to? Yung complex?
Open amphitheater. Open air amphitheater. So, yan yung multimedia stage na world-class lights and sounds. Di umano.
Hindi ko man, never been used.
Ginagamit naman nila, natutuwa naman sila. Thank you so much for joining us in our tour. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe and like.
And
Mabuhay, mahal ko kayo.
Bye, Tony. Thank you. See you next weekend.
Tapos, bye-bye.
Sa wakas, guys, we are back home and tired. It's 3 days ganap in a weekend.
3 days in a week?
3 days we went out, right? Remember?
First Monday,
No. Friday,
Friday,
then yesterday, Saturday,
Saturday,
then
Sunday. And on Sunday, Mommy slept in somewhere else.
Yeah, overnight there at Tita Betty's place.
Where did you sleep?
Her room, and then there's another room, right? It's like a hotel also.
Why there's so many of you?
No. Enough room. Okay, say bye na to guys. Bye guys!
Bye guys! Like, share, subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Papas.